Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see a topic on data frames. Data frames where the data can be stored in form of tabular format. As we know, tabular format is formation of rows and columns. There are some of the characteristics need to be followed while creating a data frame. The first one is, let me take this example. This is a tabular format where it contains a set of rows and set of columns. There are 5 columns and a number of rows, where the first characteristic is the data that will present in the column have a same type of data. For example, name of student contains a set of strings, whereas in a column, in a row, for serial number it have an integer, or register number it have a set of integer and a number and a variable, and the name of student is a string, where semester is a string, where branch is a string, where the row value is based upon the column, but column values is of same type, right? There are two more characteristics need to be followed while creating a data frame. The first one is column name should not be non-empty and row name should be a unique, right? Data frame can be created using a function called data.frame. Data.frame. Let me take this example. uh, employee.data is a variable. Data.frame is a function to create a data frame where it contains three vector function: employee ID, employee name, and salary. uh, Employee ID contains 1 is to 5 the values. Employee name contains 5 string. Salary contains 5 integer values, right? Now we are printing a printing a data in a data frame. For that I have used result from one more variable. I am printing only a certain number of vectors in that data frame, where I am going to print only name and salary. Data dot frame of this is employee dot data is data frame name. Dollar of this is vector name, employee underscore name is vector name, comma, once again data frame name employee dot data, dollar of this is vector name salary. So it will print only a employee name and employee salary, right? Employee name and employee salary. This is default 1 2 3 4 5 is default number. It is not an employee ID, right? Print of result, it will going to print the result as name and salary. Now we are going to uh, perform analysis on the data. Analysis of a data frame can be done with the help of summary of emp.data. Emp.data is name of the data frame. If we do a summary, it will print what all the mean, median. Let me check out how the execution will be, right? In employee ID, the minimum value is 1, the maximum value is 5. As we know, the minimum value is 1 and the ending value is 5, so it will print minimum value as 1 as maximum value as 5. Then employee name, each column contains one employee name, so it will print as 1. As the same as salary, the salary minimum is 515 and the maximum is 843.25. 843.25. Mean is the average. Mean and median, as we know, the averages of a value. The first quadrant means the first half of a value. The third quadrant is divided by 4, right? 729, right? Fine. Have you got it? Thank you for hearing. Data frame is very important topic in data analysis, right? Because the data analysis, where data are stored in terms of tables. By tables can be framed using data dot frame. Okay, data can be formed using data dot frame. Right. Thank you for listening.